Hello, little buddies. This is Frozendoll reading for you. Today I am reading the book Madeline and Her Dog. In an old house in Paris that is covered in vines lived 12 little girls in 2 straight lines. The smallest one is Madeline. The girls get dressed by 9:30. But Madeline will never leave without her puppy Genevieve. Genevieve sniffs along the streets on the hunt for tasty treats. A garbage can is the perfect place for Genevieve to sniff her face. Genevieve gets her dearest wish. From the river, she pulls a fish. Pew! Says the people all around. That is one dirty, stinky hound. Miss Clavel says, "We must go right away and wash this dog without delay." Genevieve thinks something is not right. The poach puts up a mighty fight, but she is outnumbered. That's basic math. The girls lift her, splash, right into the bath. They washed their pup from tail to snout. As hard as she tries, she can't get out. With a rub-a-dub-dub comes the final rinse and scrub. She gives a wiggle and a great big shake. Miss Clavel says, "For heaven's sake!" The girls pat her dry. The bath is done. Madeline says, "Now wasn't that fun?" Genevieve races for the door. The girls forgot to close it before. In the garden, she digs a hole. What a perfect spot to roll. Madeline says, "Genevieve, no, come out right now." But the dog won't go. At last, Madeline wins the fight. But she and her dog are quite a sight. Now there is a tub for 2. All we need in the bath is you. was so funny. That was Frozendoll reading Madeline and her dog. I hope you all enjoyed the story. See you all soon again.